good for eyes. So we need more omega-3. So, pag healthy diet siya, omega-6 to omega-3. Okay? Kasi 4 is to 1 or 2 is to 1. So, ang modern diet niya is 20 is to 1 para it causes inflammation and disease. Okay? So, meron din tayo dito yung trans fats. Yung mga trans fatty acid. Yung mga trans fatty acid, okay, originally kasi for the trans fatty acid, they are made via hydrogenation. Ano ba yung hydrogenation? They are the manufacturers take the liquid unsaturated oil and they add hydrogen gas under high heat, tapos it turns into solid fat. So, small amounts occur naturally in their. Okay? So, these are the most dangerous fat. Kasi itataas na yung LDL mo, ibababa niya yung LDL mo, so double damage siya. Kaya, nag increase siya sa heart disease risk by 2 to 3 times. Okay? Inflammation is even expressed in this word. Pag-click na rin niya ng lahat. So, paano ba ang digestion is obesity or lower kaya liver age and no fats for this only chew. So, ibig sabihin, only mechanical breakdown, with chewing, no chemical digestion, no enzymes, here works on fat. Okay? Mechanical lang siya, mechanical breakdown lang siya. Okay? By chewing. Wala siyang chemical digestion. Kasi, wala siya lang enzyme. So, ang nag-work dito is the fat. Okay? Next is the stomach. Stomach is very little digestion lang. Kasi meron naman tayong gastric lipase, di ba? Siya yung enzymes na nag-work slightly. Pero yung fat just flowed as a big droplet. So, diba, yung stomach niya, it only mixes and churns. Okay? For the small intestine naman, which is the main side, step 1 is the bile release. Okay? Pag nag-bile release yan, of course, yung liver mixed bile. So, may stored siya ngayon sa gallbladder. So, ngayon, pag nag-enter na yung fats, yung gallbladder where squeeze the bile out. Ngayon, si bile, okay, emulsifier or emulsification na naman dyan para i-break niya yung big fats drop into tiny droplets. So, magiging ano lang siya, like like a soap or breaks the yeast. Now, pag nagawa niya na yan, now, the enzymes can work. Okay? And for the enzymes actions naman, si pancreas kasi nagre-release siya ng pancreatic lipase. Ano ba si pancreatic lipase? Pancreatic lipase is the main fat digesting enzyme kasi i-split niya yung triglycerides, okay, sa glycerol. Tapos, fatty acids, saka si monoglycerides. Okay? Kaya ngayon, ang absorption niyan is what? The small parts will through to the intestinal walls and mag-enter yan sa lymph system natin first, then papunta sa blood, then pupunta siya sa liver para may store yung fat. Okay? Kaya nga sabi natin, 95% of dietary fat is digested and absorbed. The rest leaves the body. Kasi yung undigested fat dyan, only 5% lives in feces. Kaya 95%, hindi siya 100%. Kasi yung 5% na yun, only 5% na yun, undigested fat na yun. So, it lives in the feces. Okay? So, 19 absorb is very efficient. Okay? So, these are the functions. So, energy source, yeah. Kasi sabi nga natin, each gram is 9 kcal. What else? And at rest, the fat supplies 60 to 70% of energy. What else? Protein sparing. Okay? Paano naging protein sparing to? Kasi when or if you eat enough fat and carbs, your body uses the fat or carbs for energy. Ngayon, yung protein kasi are things, di ba yung protein kasi nasave yun sa build muscle natin? And it will make enzymes, hormones, and repair tissues. Ngayon, if there is no fat, so that the body does for the protein. Regulation, yeah, subcutaneous fat, natural insulation also, protection and caution, vitamin absorption, only the fat soluble vitamins. Satiety is, ibig sabihin yung pag satiety or flavor, pag satiety, feeling mo, you are still full. So, yung fats kasi magstay yan sa stomach in about 3 to 4 hours. And of course, you feel full longer. Okay? And also, it carries the flavor molecules to make the food taste rich and satisfying. Okay? For the cell and hormone production din siya also. Okay? But tandaan kasi sa satiety, feeling full longer. Or you feel full longer. Okay? Okay, pag sa food sources of fats naman, we have the visible. Pag visible fats, of course, you can see this or you can see it. Pag invisible naman, it's hidden inside the food. Okay, or hidden inside the food. Okay? Yan mga yan. Common food and fat types, high saturated. Yan yung mga example na yan. And these are your high polysaturated. Okay? Okay. So this is one, the cardiovascular diseases. Number one, di ba? High blood cholesterol. This is the number one killer. The heart disease or the cardiovascular diseases. This is the number one killer. Kasi yung saturated, yes? Yes po. Sino po yun? May questions po? May questions po ba? Ha? Let me know if you have questions, okay? Okay, and yeah, sabi nga natin, saturated siya. Yung saturated fats kasi, it will, what? The high, or it increase the LDL or blood pressure. Yung plaque builds in arteries. So, magkakaroon ka ng clogged arteries. Ngayon, magkakaroon ka ng atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis or the heart attack or stroke. Okay? So, trans fat is the worst kind. Raised bad cholesterol and lower blood pressure sa global range. Okay? Nasa libro din yan. You have to read your books.
Bilisan mo, ayaw mo, agilid ka.
This is done. Okay, this is done also. I have already seen the hydrogenation. I have already discussed this. So, ang nagagawin lang natin dyan for the trans fat reduction and cleansing, paano ba ma-reduce? Okay, how to reduce the bad fats? Of course, you have to eliminate the trans fats. Okay, i-avoid mo yung mga fried food, mga chips, cookies, mga pastries, fast food, or margarine. Eliminate those. Ano pa? Number 2, you have to choose real or natural fat. What else? Moderation, not elimination. Diba sabi nga natin, walang bawal. You have to take and moderation. Okay? Moderation lang siya. So, moderation, but not elimination. Okay? Ulitin natin, moderation, not elimination. So, this is already in the book, self-explanatory. What else? For the body natural clean-up kasi, meron tayong liver detox dito. Kasi yung liver kasi, di ba? Si liver kasi siya yung nag-filter ng bad fats and toxins. Like what? Foods like milk, vessels, fiber, even antioxidants helps. Okay? For the cholesterol,